All right, here we go. This is the next section of our J'imagine, or I believe, song. So the first part of it, we're back to English, and it's pretty simple. It's, this is the moment we have dreamed of all our lives, will be the change we wish from others, will stand tall for what is right. And so sung, it sounds like this. This is the moment we have dreamed of all our lives, will be the change we wish from others, will stand tall for what is right. So, and then our next part, we're back to French again. So this part is really extra tricky. So it has a lot of R sounds in it, which in French is tricky. It's kind of almost like you're going in the back of your throat, like you're gargling a little bit. So you can try that, give it just a little so whenever you get the R, it's not like you're biting. We kind of bite into our R's in English. It's kind of a sound. So give it a try. It's a little different than what we do, but give it a go. So it's j'ai au fond de moi la certitude. So, j'ai au fond de moi la certitude, which is a little tricky, but it's j'ai au fond de moi la certitude. Good, try it with me. J'ai au fond de moi la certitude. And then, que la terre entière. So, the world whole. Que la terre entière. Que la terre entière m'ouvre les bras. M'ouvre les bras. So, que la terre entière entière m'ouvre les bras. Sorry, I stumbled over it. Que la terre entière m'ouvre les bras. All right, and then, elle qui m'encourage. Elle qui m'encourage du nord au sud. So, elle qui m'encourage du nord au sud. So, elle qui m'encourage du nord au sud. So, trying that much from the beginning of this section. J'ai au fond de moi la certitude que la terre entière m'ouvre les bras. Elle qui m'encourage du nord au sud. All right, and the last little part is the trickiest because the N of rien and the N of the next word kind of run together. Rien ne m'arrêtera. So, rien ne m'arrêtera. Rien ne m'arrêtera. So, it's a little tricky. So, we'll try it with the music all together from that little part there. So here we go. All right. So I'm going to play with the music from all that we know so far, from the beginning through that, and give it a go.